We're looking at how we can use Jamboard to share with students to give them their own copy for things like organising their thinking. So here I've got an example Jamboard with a low cost versus high impact comparison slide, and I've made a load of sticky notes for the students to move around to where they think these different aspects belong in terms of how they might improve customer service in a supermarket. And the students would take these and move them to where they think they might be. So increasing staff, for example, might be quite a high cost, but it might be a low impact. Whereas free fruit for the kids could be a low cost and high impact. So they'd move them around however they want to. Okay. And in order to share this with the students so they all get their own individual one, all I'm going to do is go up to share here, and I'm going to make sure that this is set to anyone with the link can view. There we go. And I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to do the classic URL trick of from viewer onwards, replacing that with copy, highlighting the whole of that link, copying that, and then I'm just going to open it up in another window. So I'm going to open that in one of my other accounts. There we go. Close a few of those windows, paste that URL in there, and we can see here it's given me that false copy. I'm going to click make a copy, and it's going to create my own personal version of that Jamboard, which I can then share back to my teacher. Or of course, if we've done it through Google Classroom, they'd have access anyway. So I can now move these around for myself without worrying about other students being on the same jam and moving theirs around. Okay, so nice and simple, really easy to do, and fairly quick as well. So give it a try. Jamboard for organising your thinking using the copy URL trip.